Hello guys, welcome back to Katap's YouTube channel, Katap's Farm. In this video, you will discover how good cloves, lemon and lemongrass are if combined. Get one piece of lemon fruit, cut it into 2 pieces. Get 1 piece or pieces of clove. You know a clove looks like a nail. So, get the smaller side, insert it in the lemon fruit, while the top facing up. You know, lemons have very many health issues or health functions. If combined with cloves, that means something greater comes up. That's how it looks like. Insert also on the second one. The two are complete, lemon with cloves together. Now we get our lemongrass. At Katap's Farm, we encourage doing things in an organic way. We want to get everything done organically where possible. So now, with your lemongrass, coil it, fold it, then place it on a plate or anything. Place on it a lemon fruit. Yes. Please, if you're new here, your first time, consider subscribing for more videos. If you're returning, thank you for watching our videos. Now, place the plate in the house, in the sitting room, in the bedroom, anywhere, on the wardrobe, wherever. You know what it does? Yes, it is magical. It does the work of expelling, repelling mosquitoes in the house. With this, malaria is gone because mosquitoes spread malaria, which is one of the most killer diseases in Africa. Please, let's fight malaria with this simple lemongrass, lemon fruit, and the clove.